Let's start with the basics. Wiring the VFD to the power supply. We have three-phase input, L1, L2, L3. These lines go through a three-phase MCCB for protection. Then they connect to the VFD terminals. Neutral, N, and earth, E, are also shown for grounding and safety. Tip: always double-check the voltage rating. Here it's 415 volts AC. Now that we have the MCCB in place, let's connect the VFD. The three-phase supply from MCCB goes to the VFD input terminals, R, S, T. These terminals receive L1, L2, L3 from the breaker. This step ensures the VFD gets proper power for motor control. Tip: always check the VFD rating matches your supply voltage. Here it's 415 volts AC. Now, let's connect the motor to the VFD. The VFD output terminals UVW go to the motor terminals U1, V1, W1. This is the three-phase output that drives the motor. Don't forget the earth connection for safety. Tip: always check motor rotation after wiring. If it runs in reverse, just swap any two output wires. Now let's add the control wiring for forward and reverse. The VFD has digital input terminals for external control. In NPN mode, the common terminal is DCM, negative. Forward and reverse commands are given by connecting DI1 and DI2 to DCM through switches or push buttons. The control board also provides 24 volts DC for the inputs. Tip: make sure the VFD is set to external control mode in parameters, otherwise these inputs won't work. Finally, let's add speed control using a potentiometer. The potentiometer connects to the VFD's analog input terminals. 10 volts arrow, potentiometer supply AVI arrow, signal input, COM arrow, common ground. Turning the knob changes the voltage signal, which adjusts the motor speed. Tip: set the VFD parameter to analog input mode for speed control. Otherwise, the potentiometer won't work. Now, let's complete the control setup with forward and reverse switches. Two selector switches are wired to the VFD's digital inputs. In NPN mode, the common terminal is DCM. Forward switch connects DI1 or MI1, MI3, MI5 to DCM. Reverse switch connects DI2 or MI2, MI4, MI6 to DCM. When you turn on forward, the motor runs clockwise. Reverse makes it run anti-clockwise. Tip: always configure the VFD parameters for external control and NPN logic before testing. That's it. We now have full control: forward, reverse, and speed adjustment using a potentiometer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for next informative video.